Hello, boys and girls, gents and ladies. This is Lydia Doherty with Wild and Woolly Tales and Tales. I just wanted to come back on and say, pirate up. And we go this way, remember? And we've got the pirate yarn ball with its patch. And we say, "Arr! Let's fight this virus." So anyways, I hope everybody's doing okay. And things that I have for content on knitting and crocheting are, of course, our face masks. And it's kind of fun to make them, just to have different sizes. I have colors for sports, color guys like. Also, I'm working on some old-fashioned necessities, so I will show you what that is. If you can guess, you might be my age, have been around your aunts and your grandma. Anyways, guess what this is? It's going to be twice as long. It's going to fold and get stitched up on both sides of the length. When I get done, it'll be about this long. And you can put rolled up socks in it. And it's 100% cotton. And then with that, do you remember the belt and the loops to hold that in? It's called a pad holder. So we have our timely monthly things that we may run out of supplies for. And starting at 12 years old, young women, we have something we can use. And we might have to go back to the old-fashioned way if we run out of supplies. So in an emergency, have these made for yourself. Let's get some cotton and just crochet along in single stitch and make it long enough for your rolled up socks. Use white socks. You can rinse them and then use bleach water to rinse them out and clean and disinfect them, and you can reuse them again. How nice! You don't have to worry about throwing them away. So when you make your belt, just use a ribbon, long enough to go around your waist, and then 2 more ribbons coming down to tie to the loops, and it all holds it up. You understand? I hope so. I know you can figure it out. So here we go, for content and for crochet. Also, you can knit, of course, if you like to knit rather, and you know what the stitches would be and measurements. And so I hope you have fun and stay crafty, inspired, and calm, breathe deep, keep your hands washed, don't touch your eyes or your mouth. Keep your mouth covered when you go out. Wear gloves if possible. They even say wear a hat, some head covering, and also to take a shower every time you do go out when you come back home. And that's all for now. I wish you all the best and have fun staying cozy and cuddly and healthy. Take care, everybody. With love. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Leave me a comment, like me, subscribe. I'm here once in a while. And thank you again for everything. I watch your videos too. Goodbye.